sleep, you know, whether it's fucking day, night, whatever. Hey, if you slept, you slept. If you didn't, you didn't. Good morning, good night, good evening, you know, whoever's watching this. Me, I think it might just be me, bro, but I don't know. Now since I got a V8, bro, like, and I've been playing Gran Turismo like a little crackhead, so like I just utilize all of the lanes. Like taking the apex around the corner and shit. Like, dude, like, hey, it is what it is, but yeah, that's highly illegal. But I'm in Mexico. Over here.
If I put 100 grand out, so I'm not gonna pull 100. I'm a grown ass man, call me pops, fuck around and take your phone ass man. Everybody knows.
Boy, oh boy, just now getting off of work, even though it's like 2:30, but Jesus Christ, dude. Long day waiting to get stuff done, holy shit.
21, can you do something for me? Can you talk to the ops next for me? Okay. 21, do your thing, 21.
Come on, like, let's go.
Do your thing, 21.
Alright, on the way to go get some new tires. Alright, let's see if they'll put them on today. Alright, I'll catch y'all when I'm there. Damn it, my dumb ass missed the fucking tire. Alright, we're back here at Mavis Tires. Let's see. Ooh, look at her looking all pearly, all cute and shit. Oof, that's a bad look. That's a bad look, precious. I'm at Mavis right now as we speak, but I'll show you guys what it's looking like. Right now she's sitting pretty. Zoom in and show you guys. But my car is in there. I don't know what the hell he just did, but like the side wall is like bent the fuck in right now.